Have you ever wondered if immortality is merely a myth or a plausible future reality? From the dawn of civilization, humans have been captivated by the idea of living forever. Ancient myths, from the Greeks to the Egyptians, and epic tales like the quest for the Holy Grail, have all hinted at the yearning to escape the clutches of death. This fascination isn't just confined to stories, it has deep roots in our cultural and spiritual understanding of life itself. Today, we explore 7 intriguing ways that might lead us to the elusive fountain of youth. First up, genetic manipulation, where science meets the secrets of life. Imagine being able to edit the very blueprints of human existence, our genes, to not just prevent disease but also to extend life. That's the frontier scientists are exploring today. Genes play a pivotal role in determining how we age and our susceptibility to illness. By understanding and modifying these genetic sequences, researchers believe we can potentially slow down or even reverse the aging process. Currently, there are groundbreaking studies where scientists manipulate specific genes believed to control aging. Techniques like CRISPR, a tool for editing genomes with incredible precision, are at the forefront of this research. The goal? To enhance longevity genes or suppress those that accelerate aging. Imagine a future where genetic treatments could allow humans to live healthier and longer lives, well beyond the current limits. Could tweaking our DNA be the key to unlocking centuries of life? Next, imagine replacing aging body parts with mechanical alternatives. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's the burgeoning reality of cybernetic enhancements. These enhancements are not just about replacing lost limbs, they're about upgrading the human body to combat the effects of age and disease. As we delve deeper into this realm, we find that cybernetics can replace or support failing organs with devices that can perform the same, or even enhanced functions. Imagine a heart that never tires or lungs that can filter air more efficiently than ever before. The progress in this field is staggering. Today, advanced prosthetics offer amputees the ability to move and feel with an almost natural sense of touch thanks to sensors that connect directly to the nervous system. Artificial organs too are no longer a dream. Researchers are developing synthetic kidneys and pancreases that could one day free patients from dialysis and insulin injections. Merging man with machine might soon not just be the plot of a sci-fi movie. Or perhaps, the future of immortality lies not in our bodies, but in the digital realm. Imagine a world where you could upload your consciousness to a computer. This concept, often seen in science fiction, is edging closer to potential reality. The idea is tantalizing. A digital copy of your mind with all its memories, emotions, and experiences could theoretically live on long after your physical body has ceased to function. However, the journey to achieving this form of digital immortality is fraught with complexities. Technologically, the task of mapping and translating the human brain's intricate network of neurons into digital data is enormously challenging. Scientists and engineers would need to develop not only the hardware capable of supporting such vast amounts of data, but also the software that can replicate the human consciousness. Philosophically, the questions are even more profound. What does it mean to be human if our minds can exist independently of our bodies? Are these digital copies truly us, or merely replicas without consciousness? Could we one day live forever as digital entities? Turning back, the clock might soon be as easy as popping a pill. In the realm of modern medicine, the frontier of anti-aging is bustling with pharmaceutical advancements. Researchers are developing drugs with the potential to not only slow down the aging process, but also in some cases to reverse its effects. The science behind these drugs often targets the biological pathways associated with aging, such as DNA repair, cell regeneration, and the management of oxidative stress. One promising avenue is the exploration of senolytics, drugs designed to clear out senescent cells, cells that have stopped dividing and accumulate with age, promoting inflammation and disease. Significant studies and trials of these drugs are ongoing, with some reaching remarkable milestones. For instance, a trial focusing on a drug derived from a natural compound found in red wine showed potential in enhancing the health and lifespan of mice, sparking hope for similar results in humans. As research progresses, the dream of extending human health span could turn into a tangible reality. The pharmacy of the future could well include a section for age reversal. Sometimes the secret to longevity is in the simplicity of our lifestyle choices. Indeed, one might find the fountain of youth not through complex technologies or expensive treatments, but through something as basic as our diet and daily routines. Caloric restriction, the practice of reducing daily calorie intake without succumbing to malnutrition, has been closely linked to extended lifespans in various studies. This approach suggests that eating less could paradoxically lead to living more. Research in this field often points to how caloric restriction can slow down many of the biological processes associated with aging. Animals from fruit flies to rodents have shown increased lifespan spans under calorie-restricted diets, and preliminary studies in humans hint at similar benefits. These include improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced brain function. Equally integral are specific diets that focus on the quality rather than just the quantity of food. Diets rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and low in processed sugars contribute to better health and, by extension, longer life. Perhaps immortality begins on our plates and in our daily routines. What if the path to immortality involves a deep freeze? Imagine a world where death is not the end but merely a pause. This is the promise of cryonics, a fascinating field where scientists preserve the human body at extremely low temperatures in the hope of future revival. Cryonics is not about freezing the dead, but rather preserving those who are clinically dead by today's standards. The process begins immediately after a person's heart stops beating. The body is then cooled and filled with a medical-grade antifreeze to prevent ice crystals from forming and damaging the cellular structure. As we stand today, the technology and methods are continually evolving. The biggest challenge lies not in the freezing, but in the thawing. Successfully reviving a body with minimal cellular damage remains a significant hurdle. Despite the uncertainties, the field of cryonics has sparked a heated debate among scientists, ethicists, and the public. Is it a mere pipe dream or a plausible aspect of future medical science? Could we wake up in a future cured of all ailments? From altering our genetic blueprint to freezing ourselves for the future, immortality might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. We've explored the realms of genetic manipulation, cybernetic enhancements, and even the transfer of consciousness into digital forms. The use of anti-aging drugs, lifestyle adjustments like caloric restriction, and the futuristic concepts of cryonics and biostasis have all been discussed. Each method holds a unique allure, beckoning us to ponder which path might one day prove most effective. While the quest for eternal life continues, the real question remains: are we ready for the immortality we seek?